Hello guys, this is Pradeep. I have taken the topic devices. Today we will discuss how the data is collected on devices using GA. This presentation is for the course Informatics instructed by Christiana Hedegaard. This discussion is targeted to a group of senior executives. Here is the agenda for the discussion. We will have a look at the need of devices used for the website and how the data is collected, and we analyze the data. Later, we conclude our analysis with a few recommendations. It is a well-known fact that there is an upward trend in the usage of the mobile devices. This means that the web developers often have to create a multiple versions of the website, and the website owners have to use a responsive web design or create a business app to offer a good experience on all devices for people of all screen sizes. So it's really important to have a close look at which the devices users interact with, so that we can find out the significant areas what we can do. So here lies an important problem. Even though users are spending more time online across all available devices with more access options, user experience has become increasingly fragmented. This is due to the reasons of the misleading metrics, and unique visitors is one among them. We will discuss in depth in our coming slides. Here we can have the overview of the data. It is collected for the past 4 months. Unfortunately, we don't have the tablet traffic for the set period. Looking at the available data, we can dig deep to each segment to which devices to be tested more frequently, and we can pinpoint certain devices and browsers which present the bugs in our app more often. By clicking on the pie chart icon, we can see that the share of traffic each device gets, and it's clearly seen that the mobile users contribute to 3/4 of the total users, which is a good sign. Here we have the next metric, goal conversion rate. It refers to the number of people who finished a goal or a task. Looking at our data, it is noted that not a single user completed a particular goal. So this certifies that we have a poor revenue in our website. This is a derivative of our previous metric. These two metrics show that we have a poor revenue, and this can be attributed to a high bounce rate, which can be a reason. Looking at the data, we can see that we have more bounces and the bounce rate for the mobile devices. Users using a smartphone to browse a website that is not mobile friendly are either likely to spend less time, or less likely to perform any desirable actions on the website, or they're more likely to return back to the search results to visit another website. So all these three reasons can justify our poor revenue. So now let's get to the browsers to see what's happening out there. Diving into the browsers can really help us to concentrate more on the browsers and devices users are actually using. It is no surprise that the data is the same as of devices, but we can see which browser the users are having more problem. After analyzing the available data, we can conclude that our website is not able to provide the users a good mobile user experience. Also, we have some misleading metrics which can misrepresent the way we measure the data. One of them is unique visitors. Visitors are counted every time they visit via a new electrical device. An analytics platform not attuned to multi-platform engagement will overcount the number of visitors and give us the wrong data. Also, if our analytics solution is not accounting for the consumer accessing our digital properties via multiple devices, we cannot see the whole picture of the user journey across the platforms. The conversion rate metrics must follow the user, not the device. So all these things contribute to the miscalculation of the metrics. Calculation of the visitors and the conversion rate has been a problem in devices due to these reasons. It is very important to get the mobile right by identifying the areas of improvement, as we know that most websites have more than over 50% of the mobile traffic. Here are the few recommendations that can be made to improve our site's performance. One of them is the split testing software. It's a loop of comparing metrics, identifying the areas of improvement, and making potential improvements. And the next one is a thorough test on all the smartphones and devices. And the next one is providing attenuation on a multi-platform engagement for all the devices to overcome the problem of the unique visitors. Here are the references for this presentation. A big thank you for giving me this opportunity.